On today's video, I'm taking you guys with me to the Atlanta Vintage Market. If those markets are something that you've always been interested in checking out, stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. On this week's video, I went to the vintage market in the Atlanta area. And I don't know if you know this, but they travel all around the country. And I've always wanted to check it out. So today I brought my friend Jen, friend of the Create Your Own Cozy YouTube family, and the one who encouraged me to start this in the first place. We just had a girls' date where we just shopped and ate and went, oh my goodness, this is so awesome. So I hope you guys enjoy our trip. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like this video and let me know what is the thing that you wish you were there to buy, and let me know what is something that you got inspired by and want to make on your own. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload thrift flips, DIY decor, woodworking videos, furniture makeovers, and room makeovers, just whatever I happen to be working on in my home. And I would love it if you would join me on this journey. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. This very first booth by Firebird Salvage was actually our favorite, and go ahead and like them on Facebook, and you can follow when they are going to be at events. But I looked on their Facebook page and it seems like they've gone to a lot of the southeastern vintage market days, but I got his permission to share all of his fun creations and to put it on YouTube for you guys to enjoy and get inspired by. He just makes the coolest stuff. We were like, oh, this is a great idea, and I never thought of that. And everything was like really old and made and salvaged. So take a look around at his fun finds. He goes around with his wife. See the star in the back? I love that. I love the flags that he's made. Just using old stuff again. It's really awesome. Another cool thing he did was make tissue holders out of mason jars. I mean, so simple but brilliant. I think he was selling them for $10 a piece, any color. Look at those fun trees too. There's a white one. Just such beautiful stuff. We were like, hi Jen. We were like, if this is how this place is going to be, so cool. Like, look at that brick mold and that little pedestal. That was like a really old one. It was $30. I didn't get it, but it wasn't a replica. It was a really one. Ugh. Regrets, people, regrets. Didn't have a place for it. Anyway, look at all this fun stuff. Flags. Look at that corbel lamp. So cool. So here's the artist David and his wife. He is being all shy, but she said that he does all the work. How cute are they? So this next booth, you could tell none of this was handmade. It was very much sourced and bought at wholesale, but it was still, so I didn't feel as bad taking videos of this because someone didn't make all this stuff or upcycle this stuff. But it's a great booth. It was very full. The lines were very long, and they had a lot of great ideas. So this booth I'm just kind of showing you for idea purposes. Again, I don't think they made one thing, but something that you'll see later in the video is a serving tray where they had an example of how to use it. Just thought I'd include this here for your inspiration. Y'all, these guys right here, they had this whole thing listed for $75. It's a wreath stand. Now I know that this is a lot more detailed than the one I just made. A wreath stand, a welcome sign, and a wreath, and for $75. We could totally do that. Now this lady was selling jewelry, and we were not in the market for jewelry. It was beautiful, but that's not what we were looking for on this trip. But look at her jewelry holders. These gorgeous Christmas trees and this garland made from just tattered fabric. So cool. She said she got this tree from Joann's. And then this lady, I'm gonna try to find her stuff, but she was telling me how to make these. So sweet to talk to the people that make the things out of old cabinet doors and regular doors. And then this rocking horse, I thought I'd show, because you find any rocking horse, paint it white, bam, put it under a tree. Gorgeous. There were probably 3 or 4 candle vendors here, but Southern E-Scentuals is the one that Jen and I absolutely loved the most. I'm going to put her Etsy shop down below, and if you are in the Cumming area, she sells in 3 different places around here. The fun thing about these is they have a wooden wick and can kind of behave like a fireplace. And you can hear some crackles and see some sparks. And Jen and I both picked the same 3 scents, which smell amazing on their own or when burned together. And you can tell I've already been burning these since I got them, and it makes it smell like Christmas in my house. I also had to show you who the big spender was on this trip. It wasn't me. So after I left Jen, I came back home but didn't have kids, so I went to an antique mall. Right now, this is out of the Cedar Chest in Cumming, Georgia. We saw a lot of stuff today with piano music, and I found this really old piano music for $7 per bag. But I just kept going with ideas and wanted to show you some of the people that had already switched booths out for Christmas. And I will have you know, this is the antique mall that I'm currently on the wait list to hopefully open my own booth. So I thought these ornaments were gorgeous. Very simple. I mean, that's just like old paper and just one little sprig, but they're so simple and so beautiful. I got a picture of this lady's sign, but you couldn't read the whole thing because of all the Christmas decor, but she is an out of the Cedar Chest in Cumming, Georgia. Gorgeous, isn't it? Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed shopping with Jen and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great week, guys. Bye.